Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will create this video list section. Okay, so let's go to VS Code and here I will add a comment video list section. Okay, and let's comment this and here I'll take a section tag. Okay, and inside I'll take a div and we will do everything in one video like responsive and styling and all. So padding from top and bottom I need 32. Okay, BG I'll take gradient to bottom. Okay, then I'll take the color from gray 700 to gray 800. Okay, let me close this div and now inside this div I'll take a container div. So container div and let's add a comment here. So div with a class of container and mx auto, and then we need padding from left and right needs to be 10. Okay, then inside I'll take one more div with a class of margin bottom 10, text will be center and space y will be 4, and inside this div I'll take an h2 tag and we need to add the class of text 4xl in the mobile, and in LG I'll take text 6xl. And first let's add some text here. So the modules slash videos. Okay, if I save this and if I check in the browser, because I'm just typing everything, so we need to check what we have done till now. So this was the gradient color. Okay, which was from gray 700 to 800. This is the container div and inside we have taken a div. Okay, and then we have taken an h2 tag. So this is the h2 tag. Okay, let's continue adding the CSS for this text. So I need text to be transparent and bg clip text bg gradient to bottom right from white to, if I give purple, let's see what color we will get. So purple 200, and then we need font to be bold. Save this, go back. Okay, so this is the white color. What if I give purple 200? Let's say if I give green 500. Okay, so now the color is changing from white to green, but which color will be better for us? I think green is better, but let's give 300. Okay, this is looking better. Okay, from white to green. Okay, you can give any color you want, but I'm just doing it green. Let's keep it 300 because at 200 we can't see anything. This is looking better, or maybe we can keep cyan. Okay, whatever color you like you can keep it, that's not a problem. Okay, so now this h2 tag is being completed. Now after h2 tag we will take a p tag. Okay, and I will add the text which is 9 hours of Tailwind learning in 15 modules and 55 videos. So let's give the class here. So class of text 2xl and text will be gray 200. Save this, let's check. Okay, so this is looking better. Now we will continue working on this listing. Okay, so let's go back here and in the container div, okay, here after this div I'll take a div with a class of max width of 3xl. Okay, then I need max auto, text will be gray 400. Okay, let's close this div and inside this div I'll take one more div with a class of padding 6. Okay, bg gray 800. Then we need flex, justify center, sorry, justify between. Okay, because we need the text to be side by side, like this text will be here and this will be here, so that is the reason we need to keep justify between. Then we need items to be center. Okay, close this. Now we need the h4 tag. So in h4 tag we need only one class, that is text 3xl, and here I will add the text which is getting started. Okay, save this, and if I go back on our site, So this was the text getting started, which is here. Okay, and now we need these two things, videos and minutes. So here after the export tag, I'll take a div with a class of flex space. Text will be 8 and text will be in the center. Text size will be text XL and font which needs to be bold. Okay, now inside this div I'll take one more div, and let's say we need 6. Okay, and then inside I'll take a span tag, and I'll write videos. Okay, so now we will style the span tag. So class that is going to be block text sm, font size will be normal. Okay, let's say this, go back. So this is 6 videos. Okay, now we need this for minutes. So what we will do is we will just copy this, and after this div I'll paste it. Okay, so here I can change the text to 33 minutes. Okay, so 33 minutes. Save this, go back. Okay, so this is not according to this, so let's see what I missed out. Okay, we don't need this flex again. Okay, I'll just copy this div. Let's cut this out and remove this flex, and after this div I'll paste it. Okay, so inside this div we need these two divs. Okay, let's save this, go back. Okay, now everything is fine. Now similarly we can do it for main concept and layout. So that is very simple. Just copy this div. Okay, this starts from here, ends here. Copy this, paste it. Okay, then we need one more, so paste it. Then we can change the text. That is going to be main concept, and then we need layout. Okay, so layout, and here we can change the videos. So 11 videos and 67 minutes. This is something which I am putting randomly. Okay, so you can put your own text. These are 4 videos and 37 minutes. Okay, save this. Now we can see this here. Now as you can notice that in between we have a lighter background. For that we can do one thing. Here after BG Gray 800 we can just add opacity of 50, and if I save this, go back, so now you can see we have a lighter background. So this is responsive as well because we have, okay, so we don't require to do much. Okay, for responsive it is looking good. So we have completed the module and video listing section. Now in the next video we will work on FAQs. Okay, so this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.